want to learn how to remove the digital home button on iPhone, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open settings on your phone and look for accessibility. This button is just below home screen and above wallpaper. Once you've located and pressed the accessibility button, it will lead you to this page where you have to look for touch. The touch button is under physical and motor. Once you've pressed the touch button, you'll see at the top part of your screen the settings regarding assistive touch. Just press this. And if you want to remove the digital home button, you just have to turn off the button beside assistive touch. As you saw, once I turned off the assistive touch, the digital home button instantly disappeared. You can also easily turn it back on if you want the digital home button back, as this button is also helpful because it contains different settings and different options. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.